And this video is because I really didn't want to edit and upload the video I had already filmed for today. And I was also already going to dye my eyelashes, and I've never done it before. So I thought it might be interesting to show you how it worked out with the kit that I purchased online. I did get my eyelashes dyed professionally one time. I haven't done a lash lift because I needed to like dip my toe in. Let's just get into it and I will show you the entire process. So I'm using this from Swiss No-poo. It is their eyelash and brow dye kit in brown. It says, content sufficient for up to 12 applications, depending on the volume of eyebrows and eyelashes. Wow. I'm leaving my eyebrows alone. They're there. They're just invisible. So when I put powder on them, my see-through blonde eyebrow hairs actually do show. But I would prefer if my eyelashes were always dark, because when I wake up in the morning and I look in the mirror, I see this. There have to be English instructions. It is early. Good morning. And I can't read this because it's backlit. We're doing really well. We're doing very well. Before applying the color, clean eyebrows and eyelashes thoroughly. So I have some baby wipes. They're from Kinder by Nature. Kind of like pinch them in this to make sure that there's no residual product from yesterday. So this is the kit inside. It's got some stuff. Place the enclosed eyelash leaves on the skin underneath the eyelashes to protect the skin against discoloration. Is there a thing that, I don't think there's a thing that peels. Do you get it wet? I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the brown liquid and this is the gel. I'm supposed to put the liquid on first using this guy. And I'm supposed to put this between the eyelashes and my skin. This is gonna be the hardest part. It shows me that, which really only tells me about the bottom lashes, but I guess you're supposed to do the top and bottom lashes like that. Leave for a total of approximately 1 minute. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, but I feel like it's still gonna get on my skin. You know, I think going up might be better. Yeah, nothing about this seems like it's gonna work. So let's just do our best. I feel like if I really press it down, it's gonna get on my skin. I'm not really getting to the roots of the lashes. Apply the gel evenly to one side of the comb and use it to comb through the damp hair. Oh Jesus. Well, this is where it goes sideways, guys. All right, so I'm just pinching it off using this baby wipe. And there's really not that much on there that just came off. It looked like a lot more when it was on the lashes. I think it stained my eyelid a little here just from that split second that it was on there. But I didn't get any in my eye. And you know what's interesting is I didn't really smell any fumes. I mean, I kind of felt the fumes near my eyeball on this side as soon as I put the gel on, but not a second before. All right, it's been about a minute, so now it's time to go in, and I'm just gonna put this baby wipe underneath here this time to do this step. See, as soon as you get this gel on here, that's when it changes color. All right, now I'm gonna try and pinch that off in this. I don't like to rub around my eyes too much, but I want to make sure I have all this stuff completely off. All right, so that's what that looks like. That definitely looks more like it is some kind of a black dye than a brown. They're all clean. Gonna go do my thing and then put on my makeup without mascara and see how it looks. All right, I've done my workouts, I've showered, I've done my makeup, everything except for my eyelashes. So that is what they look like. I probably have a little bit of powder on them just because I didn't clean them off after. But this is what they look like without any mascara on them. Not bad. I can definitely see the roots a little bit, and look, I stained my nail there. That definitely looks different. Definitely. And I think what I like about this is that it's not necessarily a replacement for mascara for me because I'm about to put some on right now. But what's nice is that if I go out without any makeup on, I at least look like I have eyelashes, whereas my natural blonde lashes on their own just completely disappear. Great. All right, so now you can kind of see a few more lashes that I definitely missed with this. It is hardest to get the lashes in the far corners over here, so I think these lashes were completely left out for me when I dyed them. And then the ones on the bottom are almost impossible to get to. So it was either kind of stain my lower eyelid like I did over here, or leave them out. And that's pretty much all there was to this video. I just wanted to try out dyeing my lashes, and now I know what the result is. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to try a different kind of kit, if you want me to try maybe a lash lift kit. I do think that if I use something with the forms and the adhesive, that might work better than this. But overall, I mean, I'm pretty happy with this, and I get multiple uses out of the one set, so I'm set for a few months. But let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and thanks for watching.